Understanding the phrase, plod on, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore a very interesting English phrase, plod on. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate English learner, understanding these kinds of phrases can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and find out what plod on means and how you can use it in your conversations. Plod on is a two-word phrase consisting of plod and on. Plod. This verb generally means to walk heavily or slowly, often indicating a kind of steady and persistent movement. It's the kind of walk you might have when you're tired but determined to continue. On, in this context, on is a preposition that adds the meaning of continuation or progress in a particular direction or task. When combined, plod on means to continue doing something in a steady and determined way, even if it is boring, difficult, or tiring. Now that we understand what plod on means, let's look at some examples of how you might use it in a sentence. 1. Even though the work was tedious, she decided to plod on until it was finished. 2. Here, plod on is used to show determination and persistence in completing a boring or difficult task. 3. The journey was long and exhausting, but the travelers plodded on, eager to reach their destination. 4. In this sentence, plod on illustrates perseverance in a challenging situation. 5. Despite the setbacks in his project, John plodded on, believing that he would find a solution eventually. 6. This example shows plod on used in a context of overcoming obstacles through persistent effort. When using plod on, be careful not to confuse it with more positive expressions of progress or speed. Plod on specifically conveys a sense of slow and steady progress, not quick or easy advancement. Avoid using it in situations where speed and efficiency are highlighted. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, plod on. We hope you now feel confident using this phrase in your own conversations and writing. Remember, learning these kinds of phrases can really add depth to your English skills and help you express yourself more naturally. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful English language videos. See you next time.